This video will cover therapy-related acute myeloid leukemia. The anchor for us to remember acute myeloid leukemia, as always, is a character wearing an amulet, because the word amulet can easily be shortened to AML, right? Now, for us to remember therapy-related, just take a look at the name of the restaurant. I do agree that barbecue is to an extent therapy. Now that we're anchored, the first thing to cover is topoisomerase II inhibitors, which are associated with development of acute myeloid leukemia. To help us remember topoisomerase, we have this guy here wearing a top hat. Topoisomerase starts with top, just like top hat. It is important to remember that topoisomerase inhibitors tend to have a latency period of 1 to 5 years, and we'll easily remember that with this display here stating that there's a current wait time of 1 to 5 minutes. Come on, a wait time of 1 to 5 years would just be ridiculous in this scenario, so just change the minutes to years in your heads. On the topic of treatment with topoisomerase II inhibitors, KMT2A gene rearrangements may be seen. This is of course represented by the fact that this is a restaurant where you eat Korean meat. Shorten Korean meat and you get KMT. Alkylating agents are another therapy associated with development of AML. Conveniently for us, a restaurant decided to write their menu out with chalk. And the word chalk sort of sounds a little bit similar to alkylating, doesn't it? I don't know why people in this image look upset, because look at those prices. That's amazing for nowadays. Well, actually, I do know why people in this image are upset. It's because that represents the fact that response to treatment in therapy-related AML is generally poor. But coming back to the menu, the $5 and $10 meal options will remind us of the important fact that the latency period for alkylating agents leading to therapy-related AML is generally 5 to 10 years. Radiation is something that we all know can lead to cancers and, of course, AML. What's important is to remember that this latency period is generally also 5 to 10 years, which is why I've included this oncologist here standing next to and looking at the menu options. The oncologist has been our symbol for radiation and chemotherapy in prior videos, so that's what we're going to use here too.